On air, folks, in 3, 2, 1.
What does he want, Mary? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down. I know what I'm going to do tomorrow, and the next day, and the next year, and the year after that. I'm shaking the dust of this crummy little town off my feet, and I'm going to see the world. Clarence! Clarence! Help me, Clarence. Get me back. Get me back. I don't care what happens to me. Only get me back to my wife and kids. I wish I had $1 million.
Lighthouse Theatre presents one of the most loved films of all time, brought to life in a colourful 1940s radio broadcast, performed in front of a live audience. It's a wonderful life as you have never seen it before.
Should old acquaintance be forgot in old lang syne?
And that's a wrap.